Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing fine and you all are good and safe at home. I request you to follow the government guidelines. Okay, so this playlist is focused on OpenCV4, the latest version of OpenCV. Of course, and we are going to use Python. We are going to use Python. There's C and C++. We can also use C or C++ with OpenCV, but I'll recommend you to use Python, because when you will proceed with OpenCV and you decide to learn more advanced things like YOLO, TensorFlow, you will understand that Python is much better. Okay, C and C++ are in different leagues. They are awesome when it comes to competitive programming, and no one can beat C++ in competitive programming. But when it comes to machine learning, when it comes to artificial intelligence, when it comes to image processing, video processing, and all these type of stuff, Python is the best. Okay, if they are C or C++ lover, I already told you that C and C++ are in different leagues. They are beyond many languages when it comes to competitive programming and when it comes to speed. Okay, so now we are not here to fight. We are here to understand what is OpenCV. Now let me tell you a very important thing. OpenCV is Open Computer Vision. Open Computer Vision is a way to provide vision with intelligence to our machine. Okay, so vision with intelligence is OpenCV, and OpenCV is okay. Now what is OpenCV? OpenCV is a library of programming functions mainly aimed at real-time computer vision. What does that mean? That there are a lot of functions defined inside the OpenCV package, and these functions we will use to make our machine act like humans. Okay, you must be feeling that what is this? Computer vision. We are providing vision. When we talk about vision intelligence, the first thing that comes in our mind is human beings, and we are going to give that thing to our machine. Then we'll give you a very small example, and then we'll proceed with installation process. Okay, I will not take much of your time. The process is the example is that you are given just a minute, let me check the battery. Okay, it's 24, it will work. So suppose you are working in a traffic police. Okay, and your task is to check if there's any biker who have two more guy with him. I mean, there should not be three guys on a single bike. So you will go to the square path or wherever you want to check, and you will start counting. Instead of this, you can do this. You will install CCTV cameras. You will take the video input, and that video input you pass to a code, a Python code, which is done with OpenCV, and you can detect bikes and the total number of you will object detection. Using object detection, you can detect the bike, you can detect all the humans on that bike, and if they are more than two, then you can simply count, or you can register a complaint against them, or you can get their that vehicle registration number or whatever. It's up to you. Okay, so this is an example. Now let's move to installation process without wasting much time. Already it was the introduction. It's an introduction video. If you think that you have already installed all those stuffs like OpenCV and all, you can proceed with the video playlist. Now let me tell you one more thing. Okay, first do installation, then we will talk a bit. Okay, OpenCMD. Okay, now let me tell you that what I'm going to do is, only because I have Python 3.7 or 3.8 installed. I have Python 3.8. I want to tell you that you must have Python 3.7 or Python 3.8 installed on your system. If it is not installed, then you must install it first and then continue with this video. I have dropped the link of the video which will help you to install Python 3 on your system. Okay, quit this video, go to the description, install Python 3. If Python is installed, do not quit this video and continue with the process. So what you need to do is, after opening the command, write pip install and open cv-python. Okay, type this. This is the package OpenCV for Python which we need to install, and we will type pip space install space OpenCV-python, all in small letters. Type enter. As soon as you will hit enter, you will see in my screen that the requirement already satisfied. The requirement is already satisfied because OpenCV is already installed in my system. It is not installed in your system. So when you will hit enter, you will see a download bar on your screen, and it's about I don't know the size. Okay, so it will install the package and package will be installed easily. Don't worry, it will happen. If it is already installed, then you will see this requirement already met. After doing this, you need to check whether if it is installed properly or not. For that, okay, so you can check the version also. Okay, so for that you just need to go type Python. Okay, don't check the version, don't check the version, because it's pretty easy. Okay, just type Python. After typing Python, sorry for the noise in the background, I am at home, extremely sorry. After typing Python, you will move to the Python console. After entering the Python console, I request you to type import cv2. Import cv2. Now you must be thinking that what is cv2. Suppose, okay, suppose you want to use maths. When you want to use maths, you will simply type import math. When you want to use algorithm, you will type import algorithm. Similarly, when you want to use the OpenCV package, you need to type import cv2. cv2 corresponds to OpenCV, and whenever we want to extract any function from this package, we will type like cv2 dot function name, and then we will give the parameters. This is the thing that we'll learn in later part of this tutorial. First of all, just type in Python, go to Python console, type import cv2, and when you hit enter, if you do not see any type of error like cv2 is undefined or anything, then congratulations my friend, OpenCV is installed on your system very easily. Okay, and in the, okay, so I think we are done with the installation process. If you see any error here, instead of this three angle bracket, whatever you call this, okay, if you see any error, then there's problem. Okay, then either Python is not properly installed, or there's something else. I don't know why that happened. It will not happen. Okay, it will not happen. I can assure you it will not happen. Okay, now let me close this. Now in the next video we will see that how we can create project in PyCharm and set up our OpenCV for our project. Okay, thank you so much.